everyone and welcome back to today's session. Today's session is going to be very interesting as we are going to discuss true false not given exercise. This exercise is really very crucial for the IELTS examination. You wanted to know why? Because at least 10 to 15 questions usually comes from true false not given in many cases. However, there is another exercise as well, such as fill up the blanks, matching the headings, that we will discuss in the upcoming sessions. But let's discuss now what is true or false or not given. In true false not given, it is very important that you are doing a skimming and scanning method. So what it is? Actually, in this exercise, we have to see that which statement is agreeing with the information, which statement contradicts the information, and is the information available in the passage or not. Okay guys, let's start with the very first question, and the question is,
Question number 1.
children must go to the school where they are registered. Okay, you guys can see the question on the screen. So first you have to mark the keywords, and the keywords over here are children must go to school and register. So what you need to do, very first thing that you have to do is mark the keywords. And how you are going to mark? You have to search for the word children, okay, registered, go to school और attend the school we got over here. ठीक है, तो हमको क्या मिल गया यहाँ पर? हमको यहाँ पर keywords मिल गए हमारे. तो child also. So now we have to read from here. हम यहाँ से पढ़ेंगे. The law say that parents must ensure that their child regularly attends the school where she is registered. Okay, so what they are trying to say that parents must ensure that their child regularly attends the school where she is registered. ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि where the student is registered or a child is registered, he needs to attend the classes or he needs to attend the school. So that's why the answer will be true over here. Why is it true? क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में भी लिखा था कि children must go to the school where they are registered. So both the meanings are same. It is agreeing to the statement. So the answer will be true here. Let's move to the second question.
Question number 2.
So here the second question is, all arrivals after the register has closed are recorded as unauthorized absences. Okay, so first of all the keywords over here, please do mark that arrivals after the register has closed, recorded unauthorized absence. So I can see clearly unauthorized absence for the session here. Children arrive after the register has closed. तो यहाँ पर क्या होता है कि अगर सेम स्टेटमेंट लिखा हुआ हमें मिलता है तो हम ट्रू लिखते हैं, बट अगर उल्टा लिख दिया है या स्टेटमेंट पे उन्होंने कोई कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन डाल दी है, सो वी राइट फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट. अब देखो यहाँ पे इन्होंने ये सेम बात बोली है, इफ योर चाइल्ड अराइव्स आफ्टर द रजिस्टर हैज क्लोज्ड विदाउट अ गुड रीजन. अब इन्होंने यहाँ पर एक स्टेटमेंट एक्स्ट्रा डाली है, विदाउट अ गुड रीजन. नेक्स्ट द सेम वन दैट इज will be recorded as an unauthorized absence. और सारी चीज़ें सेम हैं, but one thing they have added that is without a good reason. अब इसका मीनिंग क्या आ गया कि अगर बच्चा स्कूल जाता है बट उसके पास कोई वैलिड रीज़न है, then that will not be considered as unauthorized absence. So the answer over here, what will be the answer here? Yes, the answer will be false over here. Yes. Okay, अभी यही बताइए कि अगर ये स्टेटमेंट नहीं होता यहाँ पर, what would be the answer here? ये स्टेटमेंट नहीं होता तो yes, it would be a true statement. Let's move to the third question.
Question number 3.
Okay, so the third question over here is, If your child is absent from the school, you must send the school a letter to explain why. Okay, so now my keywords here is if child absent, must send letter, explain why. Okay, so explain word I can see over here how this should be done. So I will read over here. If your child has to miss school, it is vital that you let the school know why. Let the school know why, preferably on first morning of absence. कि अगर आपका child जो है उसको स्कूल मिस करना है तो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यहाँ पर कीवर्ड यूज़ किया है वाइटल की, इंपॉर्टेंट की जगह वाइटल, दैट यू लेट द स्कूल नो वाई, दैट यू हैव टू टेल स्कूल कि ही इज़ गोइंग टू बी एब्सेंट, प्रेफरेबली ऑन द फर्स्ट मॉर्निंग ऑफ एब्सेंस, मॉर्निंग में ही बता देना है. Okay, your child will have an attendance policy explaining how this should be done. Are they talking anything about letter and all, that he has to tell via letter or something, कि उसको लेटर भेज करके ही बताना है? No, that information is not given, so you will write not given statement. Let's move to the next one.
Question number 4.
So the next question is staff who think a child is having difficulty at school will contact the parents. The keyword over here are staff, think, child having difficulties will contact parents. Now I will see over here if you know or think that your child is having difficulties, yes, attending a school, you should contact the school. Okay, you should contact the school. It is better to do this sooner rather than later, as most problems can be dealt with very quickly. Okay, are they talking anything about staff or something? कि staff has to inform, कि staff को बताना है, faculty members को बताना है? No, that information is not given here, so you will be writing again not given. जैसे कि यहाँ पर लेटर के बारे में कोई बात नहीं थी, हमने नॉट गिवन लिखा था, स्टाफ के बारे में कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है, वी विल राइट नॉट गिवन स्टेटमेंट. लेट्स मूव टू आवर फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन.
Question number 5.
School will contact other authorities about children who take frequent unauthorized absences. Okay, so I will check for my keyword. तो यहाँ पर क्या इन्होंने बोला है, keywords will be school will contact other authorities about children take frequent absences. Now I can see the word unauthorized, right? Because यहाँ heading थी unauthorized absences, so I can see the keywords. Now, if your child is absent and the school either does not receive an explanation from you or considers the explanations unsatisfactory, it will record your child absence as unauthorized. This is as truancy. Okay, so what they are trying to say that if your child is absent and school is not getting any sort of information about your child is going to miss the class or he is not going to attend it, so if they will not receive any explanation, they will consider that the explanation unsatisfactory and it will record your child absence as unauthorized. ओके, बट यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा गया था? क्वेश्चन में पूछा है स्कूल विल कॉन्टैक्ट अदर अथॉरिटीज अबाउट चिल्ड्रेन हु टेक फ्रीक्वेंट अनऑथराइज्ड एब्सेंस. आर दे टॉकिंग एनीथिंग अबाउट अदर अथॉरिटीज? नो, there is no information about that, so you will write not given again. It is very easy. In the last questions also you can see staff was not there, letter was not there, here unauthorized authorities are not there. So if that particular information related to the question is not given, then you will directly write not given statement. Okay, so these questions are done. Hope you all understand the concept behind true, false, not given. It is really not a very difficult task to do. The only thing you have to keep in mind is the concept behind it. So for the next time, always do remember that which statement agrees, which contradicts, and When no information is given, you are going to write not given. Well, okay, thank you so much.